What's going on, everyone? On Fit for Adventure here, and today we're on our way to Iowa to check out the largest outdoor skate park in the United States. Texas used to hold the record, but now DesMoines, Iowa holds the record. So tonight we're going to be camping outside of the city, I believe in Oatley, Iowa. We're gonna get there around 5 p.m. My friend's supposed to arrive a little bit later.
How you doing down there, Mike?
Yes, sir. And then tomorrow morning, we're gonna go check out the skate park. After the skate park, we're just gonna come back to the campground, maybe do some hiking, and then just relax for a bit, because next week is when I take off for Alaska. If you can tell, I changed up my camping setup a little bit. I didn't need any more room, but I am preparing to go to Alaska for next week, so I took out my passenger seat, mainly so I can get a secondary spare tire in here. Got about 30 minutes out, just stopped at the local grocery store. Not my glasses. Got a thing of water, my favorite V8 Energy, and some eggs. Maybe the next time I'll try a chest strap, but I don't know how good that will be while driving. Should get a picture right here real quick. There was no check-in, it was manual. I guess I'm used to going to Devil's Lake, where there's a big visitor center where you have to check into your campsite. 52, all the way back. I think this is us. Dang, we got electric and water and everything. Holy cow. Oh, let's check out the mini campsite. Fold down my seat, get my bed ready. Pop-up tent, supposed to rain tomorrow. My personal chair. Oh, no BioLite today. I got this catering candle and a foldable stove, because I could use this right outside my car or under my foldable table if it's raining. Or I could probably use this inside of my car. We'll test it out with eggs and chicken later. 8 o'clock. Friend's not gonna be here until 11. I'm gonna make some more food. Let me make food round 2, and then I'll get my car situated for the night. Try eggs in the pan. If I get the bigger version of this, I don't even need to bring this for a group. No, that's 4. Looks like I should be able to do 3 with some veggies. It's going. It's taking a little bit though. Yes, sir. Not too bad. I forgot a fork. Bon appetit. Got the car set up. Random gibberish. Bed. My wool blanket. It's folded in half right now. And then my fan that I never found a spot for. My plan was to build it into the window and blow air out. 12-inch fan, because USB fans do not cut it when it's 90+ degrees out. So I'm probably just gonna plug it in and leave it on the side. Obviously I'm by myself, so I got room for it. And it is almost 12:30. See, it's 72 degrees in the car. We'll see what that says by morning. I got all the windows up. No privacy window inserts tonight. We're in the campground, so we don't need to black out the windows. Lights, got my wool blanket. I think that's all we're gonna need in here. My #1 fan, of course. And you can still see I'm sleeping slightly diagonal with my head toward the back of the seat and my feet toward the trunk. Yeah, I'll see everybody in the morning. Yo, yo. 66 degrees in here. I should have put the window inserts in. It's too early. And it's too bright. No, thank you. these mosquitoes flying in. Off to the largest outdoor skate park in the US, DesMoines, Iowa. We got Gains Healthy Ways in front of us, 3-minute workout videos. Check it out. He's doing it all from his cell phone, so he needs a laptop to get some better editing skills. Oh wow, there's literally parking right down here. Oh, how do you get there? Ah! Lordson Skate Park. Take that one. Back to the campground to grab some snacks and then off to the lake. We're off Cordova Park, observation tower, and then if there's not a beach entrance there, we'll go to the boat ramp and take that. Oh, that first step flexed. Look. Ooh, it's a long way up, Kyle.
Is it cool?
You know I don't like heights, but I did it.
Is it cool?
Yes, sir. What's going on, everyone? This is Honda Fit for Adventure, and we're out here today in Iowa filming videos with Gains and Healthy Ways. Take it away, Kevin.
What is up, guys? We are what observation tower? Cordova? Cordova. Oh, here, Mike, redo that.
Okay, we got the boat ramps. Oh, and kayak access. Here you go. Living the van life in a Honda Fit. Ooh, I can smell my feet. Oh, rocks.
I definitely needed it.
we're going to head back to camp, shower off, and then get some food ready. See when that rain's coming in too. I think it's at 6. It's about 3 o'clock now. All right, heel toe, here we go. This will feel nice. And then dinner. All right, not too bad. I just did not bring any shower shoes.
Is it cold or warm?
They got hot showers.
Oh yeah.
Shit, I might even hit that in the morning before I leave.
Might as well.
Hello, hello. Long time no see. Time to make dinner. Chicken TAC. Oh, probably gonna take a hot minute. We got time.
You gotta tilt it down more.
Oopsie. Yeah. Clean that up. Get my cola. Taking bets on when the rain comes in.
I don't know what happened.
Ooh, some underwear. Oh. Oh man. Cool part is a storm rolled in. Bad part is I fell asleep in the car. It's coming down. Let's see what the weather says. It said severe, so I'm kind of excited and kind of like, well, what's it gonna happen? I still have my pop-up tent outside, and I think my foldable stove. Everything else I got in the car. 70% at 12. So I bet you it rains till 1, maybe 2 in the morning. I'll stay up and watch a movie for that. Ooh, the rain's coming down a little harder. Just enjoying the weather. I might go under the pop-up and see how that is holding up. It's about 1:30 in the morning. The rain finally quit. I think we'll get a little more possibly in the morning. I should have filmed outside, but I had to deal with my pop-up tent. It was holding at least 55 gallons of water. Part of it collapsed. We'll see if there's any damage in the morning. It's about 2 in the morning. Got my nice fan plugged in. It's facing the wrong way. Oh, there we go. Much better. I forgot to freeze my water bottles because I'll put those behind the fan and then it actually blows cold air without getting that swamp cooler effect. Be alright. It's on low. I don't know how long I'm gonna sleep till in the morning and then head out after some breakfast. Oh, time to packy. Pretty good, pretty good. This I wanted to wash. Almost forgot, we are heading out. The canopy did not rip, thankfully. 4 hours and 10 minutes till we get home. And next video, we'll see you in Alaska, hopefully. Oh man, the solar panel ripped off the car and I'm leaving next week. The panel looks okay.